Welcome everyone to this video. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to use the Google Translate app. This is one of the free apps on Google. So you just go ahead and sign into your Google account. I'm using Google Chrome. So at the top right hand corner you see this dotted square. When you click on it, all the Google apps available to you will pop up. Then you go ahead and select Google Translate. This is Google Translate. So I'll click on it right now. Then it takes me to this page. So this is the Google Translate home page. So you can see that on the right is the language that you are translating from. Then on the left is the language you are translating to. So if you click on this down arrow, you have many languages to select from. So you select the language you are translating from on your left. So I'll just select English. Then on your right, you select the language you want to translate to. So I'm selecting Igbo because I want to translate to Igbo. So you have to type in what you want to translate in this box on your left, and you can actually type in up to 5,000 characters for Google Translate. So when you click on text, and you can also translate documents. So I'll click on text. And then I'll type in what I want to translate. As you can see, it's already translating. So I'm typing in happy birthday for Google to translate to Igbo for me. So you can see it has already translated it in real time. So you can even copy the translation to your clipboard. If you like, there is option for you to suggest an edit. Maybe if you're a native speaker and you're not satisfied with that translation, then you contribute your own, and you can also share the translation. It's very cool. I'll just go ahead and type something else. You can see I typed how are you, and it says Kedu Kimere. Then if I want to save my translation, I'll click on the star and it is saved. I can share, edit, copy to clipboard, as I said earlier. So if I want to see the translations I've saved, I'll just click on this saved star here at the bottom, and all my saved translations will pop up by the left-hand side. So you can see all the translations I've saved before. So I think this Google app is a very cool app. Makes life very, very easy. So you can also translate documents, not only things that you type. So you can see when you click on documents, it says choose a document. I'll click on browse your computer to choose a document to translate. So I'm going to translate this document right now. I'll click on it and click open. You can see the document has appeared on my timeline, and I'll click translate. So you can see it's translating right now, as long as the document is not more than 5,000 words. So it is translating, and guys, bam, it has translated it to Igbo language. So you can see, if you read through, you notice it is actually in Igbo. This is a cool app indeed. So you can see on my top left, it says Ibe 1, which is page 1. You can see when you click over it to show you the original text, which is page 1, and it translated to Ibe 1. And you have an option to submit a better translation to Google. So this is how you can translate phrases, words, or documents using Google Translate. So So you can actually translate by voice. You can see the mic icon on your left hand side bottom. You click on the mic icon, select a language. When you click on the mic icon, then you speak into the mic. You have to have a microphone connected to speak into the mic. But I don't have my mic here, so. But if you want to use voice, connect your mic and speak into the mic, and Google will translate it. So guys, this is it, how to use Google Translate. I hope you learned one or two things from this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next one.